Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today I am back with another try-on haul, and today we're doing another try-on haul with SHEIN. You guys know how much I love them, and we're going to be doing another scam or glam. If you guys haven't caught on from my last video that I did similar to this one, I am now doing a series called Scam or Glam for all of those online sites that sell really pretty clothes, but you never really know if you're going to get exactly what you ordered in the mail once you get it. So here we are starting up the series. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are into it, and if you guys are, then we'll just keep on doing them, but I think they're very fun. So today I'm doing SHEIN part 2 to show you guys if it's scam or glam. I honestly already know that it's going to be glam because every single time that I've worked with them, never been disappointed, and very similar to the very high popular brands that you guys shop with on the daily. So if you guys are interested in any of these pieces that you guys see throughout this video, everything will be linked down below, so go ahead and make sure that you guys also use my discount code. They'll be down below as well as always. So moving on to the very first piece that we picked up is this piece right here. It is such a beautiful dress. It is a high neck, and you guys know how I feel about my high necks. I've always loved them. So it's just a pretty high neck, and then you guys can see that there's like this slit right here on the chest area. It goes like just right above your boobs. Instead of being plain and boring, we do get a little bit of neon action going on, which is perfect for the spring summertime. I love summer, so I'm super excited to be wearing cute little dresses like this. So this is the second outfit. This is just a neon two-piece, and it is so freaking cute. I honestly love wearing two-piece sets because it just makes everything so much easier. If I'm in a rush in the morning and I have no idea what to wear, I'm honestly just going to throw this on. Two-piece sets are just so convenient because you can throw them on and you look put together. I will wear this out if I'm going to run some errands. If I want to feel cute, I can just spice it up with some heels, some booties, just throw on some Nikes and call it a day. Also in the back, it does come with a zipper, so it is very secure. But this is a very form-fitting piece and it's stretchy, so I feel like I can actually breathe in this even though it is tight. So I love the way that it looks. It's just very pretty and great quality. So next item, I did pick up this cheetah top, and I love it. It is so beautiful. It has a silver ring in the middle. I have to be honest, this one has to be my favorite out of all the items that I picked up. It just looks really pretty and flattering, and I think that it looks so freaking good, so I'm excited to wear this out. And from the back, this is how it ties up. And then also to go along with this top to complete the outfit, I did add on these pants that I got from SHEIN as well. These are some beautiful boyfriend jeans, and for me, you guys know that I have been struggling since forever to find myself a good pair of boyfriend jeans. These here do fit very nicely, except that at my waist it is a little loose. This is how they fit overall, and they just fit really nicely. I feel like it's really hard to find a good pair of jeans. And also I have to say that this is the most perfect medium wash that I have seen. And at the bottom, of course, since they are boyfriend jeans, they are a little bit loose at the bottom. Also, another thing that I really do like about these is that they are plain. They have no rips, nothing. I can never find any good pairs of boyfriend jeans that actually fit me that are plain. For some reason, everything is all distressed nowadays. Now for the next pieces, you guys will notice that throughout this haul, I do have a lot of neon pieces. We get to be bright out here, so I'm very excited. I've always loved neon colors, so I'm just living my full dream right now. So this is the top right here. It is so pretty. It is so freaking bright. You guys can't even see on camera right now, but it does have this like wiring right here in a V shape. It's super cute. It's one of those tops that you always see like all over Instagram. And then also I did pick up these little shorts right here. These are a little bit longer than usual, but I do not mind the longness of these shorts. I probably wouldn't wear these two pieces specifically together just because I feel like this is too bright and then this is like too dark. But this is what the jeans look like. These are some longer shorts, and I honestly love wearing these for when I'm going like out. I just want to be comfy and I want to make sure that my butt isn't showing, but I still look really cute. And the fit of these are phenomenal. Like, let me just tell you guys, they're just cuffed right here, and they are a darker wash, but they fit so nicely. If you guys are more of like a 5 in jeans, I would definitely recommend that you guys go ahead and pick up mediums in SHEIN. But if you guys are like a 1, 2, 3, most likely pick up a small. This is such a cute outfit. I just put it together right now and was like, wait, this actually looks really cute together. But this is what the top looks like. It's super cute. It's just an open button down. It's just pretty much a neon baby tee with an open front to it. Super cute. And it does normally go down to here, but I did knot it right here just because I did want it to look a little bit more like schoolgirly, like very cute and pretty. And then also I did pick up this cute little skirt here, this cute denim skirt, and it is so adorable. It reminds me of my cheer days. We would always wear this cute pleated skirt for our game days, and it was just like my favorite thing ever. And I did roll the skirt up just because I am a shorty. I'm only 5'1", for those of you that don't know. A lot of you actually think that I'm a lot taller than I am. Rolled it up and it made it the perfect length. So if you guys are, you know, normal heighted 5'5" and above, then you guys won't have that problem where you have to roll it up. But I have short legs, so I did that and it fits perfectly. So, and of course I had to pick up some bikini pieces because obviously summer is right around the corner. And these 3 bikinis, I have to tell you, are so freaking cute. I know I'm going to wear the heck out of them. So the first bikini here just really stood out to me because it reminded me of like the 90s. I don't know, something that I used to wear when I was a little girl. So I got these in a size medium. So this is the top. It's just a pink and white cheetah print. It is way too freaking cute, and it also does have padding inside. So that's also very good to have padding inside since white bikinis do seem to be see-through most of the time. I honestly don't think that this one's gonna be see-through because as you guys can see, as I'm stretching it and pulling it, you guys can't really see anything through it. So that's a good sign, so you can definitely get in the water without worrying about seeing the padding through. And then here are the cute bottoms. Like I said, these are also in a medium. These are so adorable. I cannot wait to wear this together. And for the next one, it is of course a bright pink bikini. I'm so excited for this one because the top is very different. I haven't seen a bikini like this before, but these are the bottoms. These are a little bit more coverage than the ones before. The ones before were definitely a lot more cheeky. So if you guys don't want to be as revealing, this one is definitely for you. And also the top is not revealing at all. This is kind of similar to the leopard top that I showed you guys in the beginning of the video because it does have that little O-ring right here. So I guess this O-ring is kind of becoming like a trend because I am seeing it a lot more often on tops. It is very versatile, very, very cute, but I will definitely be wearing this as a bikini and as an everyday top, so I'm excited about that. It was just like a very baby dolly vibe and I could not pass that one up. I normally don't get monokinis, but this one is a one-piece bikini and I couldn't pass it up. Like I said, it was just way too cute. So it has all this strapping on the back, as you guys can see, so you guys can tie it up as a halter top. So this is what the back looks like. It is completely backless, so very sexy, very pretty, more on like the cheeky side, a little bit more covered. So it's kind of similar to the style of the pink bikini that I just showed you guys. So you're not going to be showing too much booty. And then also what I think is super cute along that as well is that it does have these buckles here. And this one also does have padding as well. So does the previous one. It's going to fit so beautifully on. This is what it would look like. And now for the last bikini, I did pick up this 2-piece. This one has just like some ruffling here, kind of like ruched. So this is the top here. It is not revealing at all. I mean, you might have a little bit of under boob depending if your boobies are bigger or smaller, but this is very covered up compared to other bikinis. So very cute top. And then also this is what the bikini bottoms look like. So these are also cheeky. They're not going to be showing like all of your butt, but they're definitely a little cheeky. So they're just like the same little print as the top. So all these are going to be super cute for summer, and they're also very cheap and affordable, but very good quality. And now lastly, for the very last piece that I have for this SHEIN haul is this beautiful dress. It goes high neck. It is a little bit looser than I do like my dresses. That is one thing that I'm going to say. But other than that, if it was just a little bit tighter, it would be absolutely perfect. The white and the blue against each other is beautiful. And then I love how this has a zipper all the way down. It just gives it that extra little detail that makes it so much better. This is high neck, or you could also bring it down just to give it a different look. You can either have it right here. That is all for today's Scam or Glam, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys are enjoying the series, let me know in the comments down below so I can keep on doing this. And also, I just really liked every single product, of course, from SHEIN. They are amazing. Also use my code so you guys can get some money off and be cute at the same time. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.